Uncle Mud here, finishing up a cob project. We started with a bunch of buckets full of cob, or half full, so that I could carry them. They get really heavy, soaking in water to make it easier to mix. Came over here and mixed them in our little electric mixer, mortar mixer, and then took them inside after we mixed in the straw and made a rocket heater bench. And now I have to clean up after myself. Got this big stack of buckets here, a little stack over there, and they're all full of mud, covered with mud. And I've been spending the afternoon cleaning them, and found that cleaning them by hand gets really boring really quickly, and cleaning them with my little power sprayer here goes a lot faster. But if you're trying to hold it in place with your hand while you're power spraying, it kind of hurts when it takes the skin off your hand. So instead of that, I set up this little thing over here. Basically, it's a branch that I've screwed to a post. Nice place to hang the power sprayer wand, and then I screwed a big clamp to the side of it. That clamp's gonna let me hold my bucket in place so it doesn't get blown away when I go to clean out the inside of it with the power sprayer, and so it doesn't cut my hand when I try to put it in place. So basically, gonna hook that in, and that's gonna hold in place. While I clean it. It actually takes longer to show a person how to do it than it takes to do it. I'm gonna hook the clamp on there. I'm gonna take the power sprayer. And I found that I could clean it off up here, but it's actually quicker. So either way, bucket down here and catch some of it to reuse in another part of the garden or whatever. I'm doing this off the edge of the driveway so I don't just fill my gravel with mud. Come over and stack this in our stack for drying, and grab the next one. Clamp it into place. Pretty quick. I'd love to see what anybody else has done to clean their buckets, because this is still taking a long time and boring. So if you got a better idea, send it to me at info@unclemud.com or Uncle Mud on Facebook, because I'd love to see it. Have a lovely day.